Hello guys, this is FairBinaryOptions.com. Like the name of this analysis suggests, looking at a bullish condition or bullish continuation pattern on the 1 hour chart for the Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. Now, first of all, I would start with the fact that this Australian dollar Canadian dollar is actually a cross, and this cross moves based on the differences between the two majors it represents. I'm talking about, of course, the Australian dollar US dollar and the US dollar Canadian dollar. Now, the differences that the pair makes, the differences between the two, they should be represented here. Even though the two majors are supposed to be inversely correlated, it may happen then that, for example, when they are part of a leg of a contracting triangle, to move in the same direction, or to move in let's say one to make a B wave of a triangle, the other one to make a C wave of the triangle. In the end, to break in opposite directions, but not for that specific leg of a triangle. I would say that the pattern that I would like to discuss here with you is this almost vertical line. And then if you go and take a look here, I was talking either with a possible pennant, so this to be a possible pennant like this, but this one broke lower. In this case, I would say that it is most likely a flag, and the flag has the same outcome as the pennant. I mean, we should still look at a break at the upper side of the channel there, and when this come, we should look for continuation patterns to come, and the continuation should be given by this measure move. So what I'm trying to say is that I'm looking for a move after a break here. I'm looking for a move to come something like into the 103 area based on this continuation pattern. And this is the actual recommendation I'm going to have on the Australian dollar Canadian dollar, but only by the time price is breaking at this trend line here. Now this trend line here would actually be, let's try to mark it with the horizontal line, will actually be 102.15. And if you want to be even on the safer side, so if you want to be even more conservative than I am here, then you should go and buy call options only after price is breaking these highs. Now these highs here are coming in this area like this. So either buying here for the ones that are more aggressive, or buying call options here for the ones that are, let's say, a bit more conservative. But the target should be, or the take profit should be these highs, first of all, and second of all, if you're trading binary options like we are trading here, you don't need for price at the expiration date to be that far away. All you need is for price to be 1 pip or slightly to move in your favor, and the option would expire in the money. Our favor here is, of course, the upside. Our side is the upside, so we are favoring the upside, and therefore this is a call option. So let's write here that I am looking to buy call options by the time price is breaking 102.15, 1.0215, and or 102.25, let's say, with end of week expiration date. Like it is described in the text that comes with this video analysis as well here on FairBinaryOptions.com, the reason for this aggressive move to the upside on the Australian dollar Canadian dollar is not related with what's happening in Australia, but is related with what is happening in Canada, in the sense that last Friday we had the jobs data and the unemployment rate and the jobs that were created in Canada, actually that were not created in Canada, and the outcome or the result was extremely weak. Not weak, but extremely weak. Well, when there is an economy that is not able to create jobs, then the pressure will always be on the central bank's head for next time when they should meet, they will be forced to ease the monetary policy. Now, you can ease the monetary policy in many ways, but the most favored way would be to cut the interest rate. Now, I don't know if the Bank of Canada is going to cut the interest rate, but such an economic release will definitely makes it hesitate into talking the currency to the upside or hawkish, and therefore it will increase or the chances for the market to have a bullish tone for the US dollar Canadian dollar would be higher, and as a consequence for the Australian dollar Canadian dollar as well. Thank you very much for being here. We just bought call options on the Australian dollar Canadian dollar pair, and all these analyses and recommendations are possible due to the help of our sponsor here, Lionknife. So make sure you go and check lionknife.com as well. Thank you and bye bye.